This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes.
Guys, if you are searching for best Instagram bio for boys, attitude and stylish bio, then you should follow this video till the end, because here I am going to teach you how can you make VIP Instagram bio. Before starting my video, do subscribe my channel because here you will get daily tips and tricks related to social media. Let's start today's video. Open your browser in mobile or PC. Click on website, which is in video description. Then you will be redirected to website where plenty of VIP accounts bio are available. You can see there is written 100 best bio for boys 2022. So here you can find hundreds of VIP bio. Just scroll down, you will get tons of VIP Instagram bio. I am going to show you examples. Just watch till end. I will show you the way to keep this bio in your Instagram bio. If you are enjoying my video, do subscribe now. I am finding VIP bio for my accounts, then I will show you the way to add them in Instagram. Let's take example. I want to keep this bio in my account. So to add them in bio, copy the bio which you want to add. For copying, long press on screen. You will see copy option. Now, open your Instagram. Then, go to your profile icon which is in right bottom side if app. After that, click on edit option which is in middle side. Now you can see bio option there. Click on that. I have already added other VIP bio before. So, I am deleting bio. Now, to add that selected VIP bio, just paste on bio section. Click on save option above. Now you can see your VIP bio in your Instagram account and others people can also see that. If you like today's tutorial, you are requested to hit subscribe button, like and share to your friends who need this type of bio. You can check out other video which is on screen. Meet you soon.